Welcome to Kindle Seeds Superstars. My name is Adeline. Nice to meet you today. We believe learning takes root one small seed at a time. Today, we're planting seeds of English action verbs that will help you talk about what you do every day. These words will help you speak with confidence, build your sentences, and make English fun. First 100 action verbs for kids with sentences. How to do it perfectly. 1. Say the verb aloud 3 times. 2. Read the example sentence aloud. 3. Act it out if you can for fun practice. With these 3, you are ready for today lessons. Let's begin. 1. Run. I can run fast. I can run fast. 2. Jump. I like to jump high. I like to jump high. 3. Walk. We walk to the park. We walk to the park. 4. Eat. I eat an apple. I eat an apple. 5. Drink. I drink water every day. I drink water every day. 6. Sleep. I sleep at night. I sleep at night. 7. Read. I read a book with mom. I read a book with mom. 8. Write. I write my name. I write my name. 9. Sing. I sing a song. I sing a song. 10. Dance. I love to dance. I love to dance. Did you say the verb aloud 3 times? Good job. 11. Play. I play with my friends. I play with my friends. 12. Draw. I draw a cat. I draw a cat. 13. Color. I color with crayons. I color with crayons. 14. Swim. I can swim in the pool. I can swim in the pool. 15. Clap. I clap my hands. I clap my hands. 16. Laugh. We laugh together. We laugh together. 17. Cry. The baby can cry. The baby can cry. 18. Cook. Mom cooks dinner. Mom cooks dinner. 19. Wash. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. 20. Brush. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. Did you say the verb aloud 3 times? Great work. 21. Kick. I kick the ball. I kick the ball. 22. Catch. I kick the ball. I kick the ball. 23. Throw. I throw the ball far. I throw the ball far. 24. Open. I open the door. I open the door. 25. Close. I close the window. I close the window. 26. Look. Look at the sky. Look at the sky. 27. See. I see a bird. I see a bird. 28. Hear. I hear music. I hear music. 29. Touch. Touch your nose. Touch your nose. 30. Smell. I smell flowers. I smell flowers. Awesome job. That's how you make it stick and grow your English superpowers. 31. Stand. I stand up. I stand up. 32. Sit. I sit on the chair. I sit on the chair. 33. Think. I think about my day. I think about my day. 34. Learn. I learn English. I learn English. 35. Count. I count to 10. I count to 10. 36. Speak. I speak English. I speak English. 37. Listen. Listen to the teacher. Listen to the teacher. 38. Smile. I smile at my friend. I smile at my friend. 39. Help. I help my mom. I help my mom. 40. Clean. I clean my room. I clean my room. High five. You're doing a great job. That's how words grow into your English garden. 41. Draw. I draw a sun. I draw a sun. 42. Build. I build with blocks. I build with blocks. 43. Buy. We buy bread. We buy bread. 44. Sell. They sell toys. They sell toys. 45. Ride. I ride my bike. I ride my bike. 46. Drive. Dad drives the car. Dad drives the car. 47. Fly. Birds fly in the sky. Birds fly in the sky. 48. Dig. I dig in the sand. I dig in the sand. 49. Plant. We plant a tree. We plant a tree. 50. Grow. Plants grow in the garden. Plants grow in the garden. 3 times spoken? Amazing. Your word is getting brighter, just like you. Yay! Now it's time to like the video. Did you like it already? Thank you, Kindle Seeds. 51. Wash. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. 52. Paint. I paint a picture. I paint a picture. 53. Watch. I watch TV. I watch TV. 54. Wait. Please wait for me. Please wait for me. 55. Shout. I shout when I'm excited. I shout when I'm excited. 56. Whisper. I whisper to my friend. I whisper to my friend. 57. Climb. I climb the tree. I climb the tree. 58. Pull. I pull the rope. I pull the rope. 59. Push. I push the door. I push the door. 60. Hug. I hug my mom. I hug my mom. Wow, you said it 3 times? That's how you grow your English muscles. 61. Kiss. I kiss my baby sister. I kiss my baby sister. 62. Pick. I pick a flower. I pick a flower. 63. Drop. I drop the ball. I drop the ball. 64. Catch. I catch the butterfly. I catch the butterfly. 65. Wash. I wash my face. 1. I wash my face. 66. Tie. I tie my shoes. I tie my shoes. 67. Shake. I shake the bottle. I shake the bottle. 68. Bake. We bake cookies. We bake cookies. 69. Fix. Dad fixes the toy. Dad fixes the toy. 70. Carry. I carry my bag. I carry my bag. Awesome! Saying it 3 times makes you an English superstar. 71. Cut. I cut paper. I cut paper. 72. Glue. I glue the picture. I glue the picture. 73. Read. I read a story. I read a story. 74. Spell. I can spell my name. I can spell my name. 75. Count. I count my toys. I count my toys. 76. Throw. I throw the frisbee. I throw the frisbee. 77. Catch. I catch the frisbee. I catch the frisbee. 78. Kick. I kick the ball. I kick the ball. 79. Draw. I draw a rainbow. I draw a rainbow. 80. Color. I color the rainbow. I color the rainbow. Fantastic! Saying it 3 times is your secret power for learning English. 81. Laugh. We laugh together. We laugh together. 82. Cry. The baby cries. The baby cries. 83. Sing. I sing a song. I sing a song. 84. Dance. We dance together. We dance together. 85. Listen. I listen to music. I listen to music. 86. Speak. I speak softly. I speak softly. 87. Talk. We talk at lunch. We talk at lunch. 88. Say. I say thank you. I say thank you. 89. Tell. I tell a story. I tell a story. 90. Ask. I ask a question. I ask a question. Wow, 3 times. That's how you lock it into your English brain. 91. Answer. I answer the teacher. I answer the teacher. 92. Jump. I jump on the bed. I jump on the bed. 93. Hop. I hop like a bunny. I hop like a bunny. 94. Skip. I skip down the street. I skip down the street. 95. Run. I run fast. I run fast. 96. Walk. We walk to school. We walk to school. 97. Wave. I wave goodbye. I wave goodbye. 98. Yawn. I yawn when I'm tired. I yawn when I'm tired. 99. Sleep. I sleep at night. I sleep at night. 100. Wake. I wake up in the morning. I wake up in the morning. Yay! You did amazing today. You did it! Saying it 3 times helps your brain remember forever. Every time you say these words out loud, you're planting little seeds that will grow into big, strong words you can use every day. You're becoming a word hero, one practice at a time. Keep saying your words, keep smiling, and remember, learning is like growing a magical garden inside you. The more you practice, the more your English garden will bloom with new words, stories, and fun. We're so proud of you, and we can't wait to learn and grow with you again next time. Keep shining, your next step with Kindle Seeds. Today's fun assignment for you. You learned many new action words that will help you speak English with confidence. Now it's time to practice and let those words grow strong in your English garden. Your assignment. 1. Pick 5 action verbs you learned today. 2. Say each word out loud 3 times to help your brain remember. This is important because each time you say a word, you are making your words stronger, just like watering a plant every day. These small steps help you remember new words so you can use them confidently when talking to your friends, teachers, and family. We are so proud of you for practicing your words and stories with Kindle Seeds every week. The next lesson, champion. Practice saying these action words every day. Use them in your daily routine. I eat, I play, I sleep. At Kindle Seeds, we believe learning your first 100 action verb can be fun, gentle, and joyful, helping you grow your words just like seeds into beautiful sentences. If you had fun learning with us, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can keep learning new words and stories with Kindle Seeds every week. Do you still remember my name? Of course you do. My name is Adeline. Leave me your name on the comment section. I'm happy to meet you. I'll see you next time.